Welcome to another Explorer Everyday video. And if the plywood is going in the Tahoe, that can only mean one thing. Road trip. I'm heading up to Ely, Minnesota, right on the Canadian border basically, for a weekend of some lake trout fishing and crappie fishing, and hopefully getting my first shot of the Milky Way tomorrow morning, about 11 hours from now. I got a 4-hour drive, get a few winks of sleep, and it's going to be 5 below. Down here, it's, I don't know, 45, 50. Full on spring. I'm driving 4 hours north to go into the winter. I have no idea what this video is going to entail. Hopefully some Milky Way, maybe some fish, maybe some landscape photography. Stick around to find out. Good morning and welcome to Ely, Minnesota. We got beautiful blue skies, and I guess I use the term morning loosely. It is 11:15. The plan today is to do some fishing, and I will try to document northern Minnesota here. We're almost to Canada, so a little fishing and a little documentation, photography of what Ely and northern Minnesota look like up here on a beautiful early spring day. Got a little snow coming in tonight, tomorrow, Monday, so I'm going to take advantage of this beautiful clear skies. It definitely feels like a lake trout kind of day, so that's what we're going to start the day off with, and then we may finish the day on our lake with the cabin for some crappies. So just heading up to Snowbank Lake right now. It's about a 30-minute drive northeast out of Ely. And once we get up there, it sounds like we're still driving out. I'll meet my brother and my buddy and see if we can't put a laker on the ice today. Hope you stick around. We had an epic night last night with Aurora and the Milky Way. Let's see if we can't do a little epic daytime laker fishing photography. Here's what Minnesota is. You know you're up north when you get next to signs talking about customs. It's always fun getting out to my local parks, out in nature 10 minutes from home, but you know you're up north when you got custom signs.
right there. He just come out of nowhere. Oh, there he's coming back up. He's gonna come around. Come on. Oh, there he is, right there. What's he doing? He's looking for you in the eye. Coming to you, dude. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Is it better to like have him chase it up?
Yeah, that's what we've kind of done in the past, but.
Hear him right here, maybe. This is the most excitement on video all day.
What's that?
Most excitement on video all day right here.
Glad we can help. Come on.
one has not really gone according to plan. This was about the 5 o'clock update. Yeah, there were no lake trout today. There was really nothing to take a picture of, nothing to film, not a whole lot of content. We are now on another lake closer to Ely, trying for crappies, and that too has been unsuccessful to this point. So we are skunked, fishless. That's pretty hard to do in Ely. We're the only ones on the lake. We've caught crappies here before, so we'll keep going a whirl, but I think our bellies are getting hungry. Probably gonna be time to start thinking about dinner if these crappies don't start biting, and we will be heading downtown to grab some grub. We'll see if there's any content. We got one more day tomorrow. I think it might be snowy. That could be at least a little more interesting than bluebird skies. Stay tuned.